when there's an artwork, when there's a special car, when there's something that there's only one of a kind of that's left on the planet, a Picasso, a Renoir, a Leonardo da Vinci, wonderful statue or creation or model or painting, people will pay billions of dollars, billions of pounds for it, just to be able to own something that no one else have. Are you not something that nobody else have? You are one of a kind. Let go of these lists that you make in your head all day long of how you should be, what I should have, could have, would have, and how you should be, and what people will think of you. And no, trust in the fact that you are one of a kind and that you can never be inadequate, because nobody can do it like you. Nobody can actually stand in for you in any way. They can do their best, but they're not going to be able to fill your shoes. So if I can give you some food for thought today in the Cosmic Kitchen, it's not about looks. It's not about what you look like or what you have. It's who you be. It's who you be. And you were created as a one and only. Be true to yourself. Be true to who you are, because there is nobody else like you. And that's why you can feel very adequate today and very significant, because you are very special. Now feel it and live it, and then you be good to yourself, because you are worth it. It was wonderful to share these moments with you today. Such is life. No one is exempt. We all go through the same stuff, but it's how we choose to take it forward that makes the difference.